What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. So I'm leaving the car wash right now. Soapy Shark car wash in Florida. Honestly, a really dope car wash. Like, I 100% recommend them. I'm coming here midday and car wash is nice and empty. This is my first time coming here, so I hope this goes up. Let's see. Oh, it does. Nice. Look at that. But yeah, the car wash is really dope. Good prices. Oh, people here. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Okay. Yes, I opened the windows after a car wash because either way, they're gonna get that line there, and then I'll just go home and just wipe it down. So it's not a big deal. Let me try to get over. But yeah, I just came from the car wash right now. What's up with you guys? I hope you guys are all doing amazing out there. Today is Wednesday, but the day that I upload this will be a different day because, as you guys know, all my videos are pre-recorded. Isn't it crazy all the stuff that's been going on in the world right now? It's insane. It's like everyone is like trying to remain sane and remain level-headed, but there's so much stuff going on. I'm like, how do people do it? But yeah, guys, I'm almost done with school. So with school, I only have a couple classes left before I graduate, and then I'm gonna hopefully go to get my master's after that. So we just gotta keep trying to level up, man. If you're not trying to level up in life, there's something wrong. So whatever you do, whether it's school, no school, entrepreneurship, whatever it is that you do, try to level up. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are all doing amazing. I recently just got some tips from my boy S63 Racky on YouTube. Everyone go follow his YouTube channel. I know you guys see the watermarks, I know. But yeah, go follow his channel. I always love interacting with other YouTubers and getting feedback. I've only been doing YouTube for about a month or a month and a half. When I post this video, I'll probably be doing YouTube for about 2-3 months. So yeah, pretty much just let me just get around these people real quick. But yeah, by the time you guys see this, it'll be like the 2nd or 3rd month. So not too bad. But yeah, he pretty much just gave me some advice on, like, you know, how to do thumbnails and certain stuff like that, and how to structure the videos. So I always feel like it's dope when people like to share information, because, you know, I've only been doing this for a short amount of time. I have other YouTube channels, but they're all like faceless channels. It's nothing really like showing my face, whatever. But the car scene, I never really understood car channels, because it's like, unless your brand just grows so heavy that people really mess with you like that, like, I feel like, you know, the car scene is kind of hard to blow up in, because with cars, it's like you really got to be doing stuff to grab people's attention and to keep them on the channel, right? Like, you gotta be getting crazy mods, or people love seeing flames. I'm not flaming this C8, like that's just never going to happen. So I don't know, I'm just trying to figure out what the best outcome could be. So, oh my gosh, he almost crashed right there. But he's just going so slow. But yeah, I feel like people hate to share information nowadays. Like, it's like, listen, there's more than enough money for all of us to eat. So why not all of us just go up, you know? Let's all just grow our YouTube channels, go crazy, and that's it. But I think when it comes to POVs and stuff like that, there's no method on like how to just go viral every time. Cause like you'll literally do one POV that's like you just chilling, cruising, that'll get like 30K views. You actually put in effort and do a bunch of stuff in a POV, and that's the video that gets like 40 views. So it's like there's really no method to it. As much as people might try to figure it out, there's really no method to it. And I thought you had to like really do like a lot to the thumbnails for the POVs, but you really don't. So I'm gonna just start making my thumbnails like a little bit more basic, and I want to just kind of try it out and see. Like I'm trying to test it out to see if I should just keep it as basic, like, because all the pictures I take are from my photo shoots. So any pictures you guys see in my thumbnails usually are from my previous photo shoot. So I started adding like text and different things on it, but I'm starting to realize you barely have to edit it. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try to just put out one, you know, plain photo. The picture's gonna look fire as hell, but I'm gonna just put it out with no text on it, no nothing, and then I'm gonna just test it out to see how it does. So I will keep you guys posted on that. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see. Oh, that's the X5. Is it the X5 or the older X6? I'm not sure. Look at the Genesis. The new models are starting to grow on me. Like they're actually really cool looking. Not like crazy sports car, but like a very sleek, classy car. It's like the newer Genesis models. Is there a truck in this lane or something? Like usually we're flying in this lane, so this lane is going slow today. Damn. But yeah, we're in some traffic today, guys, so we can't really do our normal cutting up. Oh yeah, Tesla's in front right there. Look how slow he's going with all that space in front of him. I really don't get it. Like, what is so good about driving slow in this fast lane? Like, I don't know if it's because like people are new to driving on 95, or if there's some people that just don't care. Like there's some people I've seen, they will drive slow and they don't care if people are honking at them. They do not care. So I don't know. I don't know if you guys saw that crash with Squeeze Benz and Neon. I posted a short on my page, so if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know. It's on my page, so you guys can go find it. But that was too funny. Neon, I think, was being a little bit dramatic because the cameras were all on, and you know, in order to go viral, you really have to like sell it, you know? Like you got to be screaming and really being scared and stuff like that. So all right, these people are driving way too slow for me. Like it's insane. That's what I'm saying. Like even if you try to drive normal, everybody else is driving so slow that it forces you to want to be like, all right, everyone get out the way. Big C8 coming through. Get out the way, man. Get out the way. And then you got these trucks in the fast lane that aren't really going fast like that. Oh my gosh, man. Look at that big truck. You guys ever wondered like how those dudes get comfortable driving those big trucks like that? I would be so paranoid. Like anytime I go under something like this, or anytime I'm in a crowded city, oh man. Imagine turning on a busy street with all that stuff you gotta drop off. It's crazy. man, I hope you guys are enjoying the month, and I hope you guys are going after all of your goals and not giving up, even on the days when it's tough. Because let's be honest, man, there's some days where you don't feel like doing nothing, right? So I think all that matters is that you keep trying, and that's it. As long as you keep trying, you keep doing the stuff you gotta do, the rest will follow. So I need some more minutes in this video, so I'm gonna probably chill behind this guy for a minute. But yeah, for those who are in Florida, let me know if you got a cool car. Well, not even a cool car, just let me know. Like, if it's a nice car, hit me up. I'll feature your car in a video. I have no problem. I'm just trying to cross collab with as many people as possible, because as you guys can tell, especially in the car community, a lot of the bigger channels have cross collab with a lot of people, or their videos are just that viral, you know? So, but yeah, if you guys are in South Florida, hit me up, let me know. We'll set up a day and time to meet, and we'll get everything going. This way. Fun fact, I love blue, and I've always wanted like a blue like that on any of my cars, but for some reason I don't know if it's the universe or something, all my cars have been white, and those cars I've always gotten the best deal on. Like this C8, it was the only C8 in Florida at the time, and it was the only one that had the white interior. I was like, I would be a fool to pass up on this, and the specs that it has, fully loaded, like I would have been a fool to pass up on the white car just because I really wanted blue. So yeah, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. Please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.